Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. I have this commercial dustpan and broom. We're gonna give this thing a try. Is it upright? Yeah, it's upright. It's funny. This is the top and bottom of the box, but then the words are written sideways. But okay, so let's see what we got in here. So this is everything. Box empty. Put the box down there. I'm going to assume this is all going to be pretty self-explanatory figuring this one out. But let's give this a go. It's a decent size. Inside came with some cardboard. So this is the concept of the dustpan. And so you see when you carry it, it goes like that. And then when you're using it, it goes like that. It actually clips into place too. Really nice. Okay. And then it can pull it out. Good. Okay. And then we have our poles. Let's see. I wonder which pole is going to be for which, if it even matters. I don't know. One has 3 and one has 4. And here is the broom. So the broom, when you sweep, then you'll be able to do that and pull it off, pull all the stuff off because it's got that comb. Okay, so let's see which one will go into this. Is it going to be this or the other way? I don't know. Well, I'll put together the poles and then we'll figure it out. How about that? So this pole will go like that. Like that. Pretty easy to put these together. They just snap in and screw. So there we go. There's one pole. And then here's the other one, which will go in this way. Oh, not that way. This way. You can tell which one's the end one because it's got the bigger threads than the other one. And I'm going to guess the little clip goes on the broom part. Tell me if I'm wrong. But okay, so that's on there. And now let's put this one here on this. I may have wanted the foam to be up higher for sweeping. So I can probably switch those 2 pieces around. Pretty easy to do. Look at that. It just unscrews. Unscrews. So flexibility. I'm just showing you all the different ways to do it, but I'll show you how it sweeps here in a second. So here we go. All together. Okay, so there. Now we're all together. So we have the 2 pieces here. We have the broom and the sweeper, and it can clip in like that, so you can have them together. You can see the broom is a very long handle right now, and the sweeper has a smaller one, which makes sense because you'll sweep away. So I will aim you down on the table, and we'll explain the functionality without seeing the whole thing. But see, you'll go like this, you'll put it down, and then you'll sweep all your stuff into there. And it's got a nice sharp ledge here. You can see it's going to just get everything up in there. It's not one of those ones where it's just squared off. So it's nice. So you do that. And then you can do this and pull up on the comb part to get all the junk out of it. So how nice is that? And it's really sturdy and really feels like a good commercial one because it's nice and solid. All these different pieces and parts. And then you clip it in when you're done here. You can clip it in, and you can make it go this way and clip it either way. You could have the broom on this side or on that side with the little, oh, you guys can't see, with the little clip. You can clip it and put the broom either side, and it'll hold it together so they stay together. Really nice. Gonna keep this in my broom closet, and I'll be ready to clean up anything. So super cool. I would say I like this. Really looks nice, and these bristles are nice and strong. They're not falling out, which is nice. I mean, even when I did that little scraping on there, even the bristles didn't fall out, so they're good. So it's nice, and they're kind of frayed at the bottom to give it the nice soft one. So you'll be able to pick up anything. I don't really have any dirt in here to pick up at the moment, but it's going to be used a lot here. Thumbs up for sure.